getting a headache. Education system. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. And yes, in today's vlog we are going to study so much and so much that we are going to get grinded and crushed into pieces because I have my minor two in another 3 days. And yes, I'm starting my studies so late this time. We also had college fest few days back and it's been only like 3 days and we have exams now. And this is what happens in engineering life. Yeah, and about my exam, it's very important to maintain CGPA in engineering. At least I don't know about MBBS or any other courses, but in engineering life, to get into good interviews you have to maintain CGPA of 8.5 or at least 7.5. So I'm just going to focus on my studies in a good way. I don't want to get crushed later on. Yeah, that is what we are going to do in this vlog. And also I'll be discussing what all courses and what all subject, what all projects I'm doing in VLSI. Okay, then let's dive into VLSI courses. We have first subject called LIC, that is linear integrated circuit. Then comes signals and system, control system, and linear algebra, semiconductor device physics, and at last we have ARM, and also we have lab for few subjects. Yeah, adding to this we also have one subject called problem solving and analysis, that is basically called Vikas class, where they teach you how to communicate, how to interact with people, and many other things related to interview skills and all. Yes, today I had that exam actually, and I just got sucked totally because I had not worn formals properly. And yes, we had GD today and it went okay, kinda not so good from my side though. Countdown starts of 3 days and literally I need to cover so many things, and now I'll be figuring out what all to study. I'll just make to-do list in my tab. Okay, my plan is ready, and for now I'll be studying ARM and linear algebra. My one advice for you guys would be to start your preparation from 20 days before your exams. Right now it is already 12:30 and now I'm going to revise everything that I have studied.
Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to.
Now it is lunch break. It is 12:15 and I had LIC lab today, so we had to complete bit of project things and all. So I'm done with that, and now I have classes till 5:30, but I'm not going to attend them. Basically we are bunking because I'm bunking because I have lots to study, and we'll be going to library to complete those study things. And yes, today at least I'll try to complete ARM. And now it is lunch break, so I'll be having lunch and then we'll be getting fresh and we'll be going to library direct. Yeah. I'm getting a headache. Guys, it's almost to be 7 and I'm going home now. And जो पढ़ना था वो तो नहीं हो पाया. Still I'm carrying that pending subject to home. We'll go home, we'll get fresh, and I'm full right now. I don't want to eat anything. Then we'll sit back for studies and we'll take up some other subject. Yeah, that's the plan.
Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home.
it's just the next day and welcome back. And yes, right now I'm making my breakfast and it's almost to be 12. I will rate this 8 on 10. I should have added bit veggies and good taste. 10 on 10, and it's good and it is also spicy. Really, I would say that Indian education system is, I hope you understand. And in my college group, everyone is confused what to study and what not to study, because they are saying this chapter is there for exam and some sums of this chapter is not there. I don't know what the hell to do, and let's just figure out what to study now. I'll be studying LIC and LA because only I have one day left for this subject and I haven't started anything. Literally, I should study everything now. Really not in mood to study anything right now. Right now, I'm really feeling so tired and not in mood to do anything. I just want to sleep, but somehow I'm pushing myself to study, and now I'll be doing sums for 2 hours till 6. अब मैं और नहीं पढ़ सकती। अगर टाइम पास करने के लिए अवार्ड मिलता ना, देन आई वुड लिटरली डिजर्व दैट अवार्ड। अभी मैंने 1 घंटा बर्बाद किया है स्क्रोलिंग रील्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। मतलब मेरे को सीरियसनेस है ही नहीं कि कल एग्जाम है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू माई स्टडीज until and unless I finish this subject, and even if it turns out to be 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. I'm just going to complete it. Yes, and that's it in today's vlog. Planning many crazy and dhamakedar vlogs, so don't forget to subscribe and like to watch my videos. Yes, bye bye and see you guys in my next vlog.
ਮੈਂ ਗਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਮਾ ਨੀਚ ਬੱਲੀਏ